my name's Alexis, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you a really aggressive looking 2017 Mercedes Benz A45. This is the AMG series, so this little pocket rocket packs a punch when you drive it on the road. The customer's got a stage 1 tune on the car already, but he wants a bit more power as well as a bit more sound coming out from the exhaust system. So the stock system on this car does sound nice, but it doesn't have that deep tone to it, which is what the customer's looking for. Today we're going to be installing these puppies right here. So this is the front pipe and this is the downpipe that we'll be doing for the customer. It also comes with a heat shield, so it will protect the engine bay from the hot air that comes out from the turbo and the engine itself. So we'll turn the car on now and we'll hear what it sounds like before we do the installation. Out of the exhaust system. So the stage 1 tune has pops and crackles already on there. Okay, so it does sound nice, but it still doesn't have that deep tone. In the next clip, you'll be seeing the car with the downpipe in the car.
Few moments later.
So we're just going to be comparing the M.a.B tuning downpipe with the stock downpipe. So this one's a stock one, and that's the new one right there. And this is the front pipe right over here, and that's the old front pipe. It's really nice and polished too.
Six and a half hours later.
Alright guys, so we're just going to do a little test run with the downpipe in the car. So we've added and intensified the pops and crackles on it. So we might as well show you what it sounds like on the road. So let's go for a spin. Alright guys, so we finished off the installation of the downpipe in this car. We've also done a stage 2 tune in the car. So a stage 2 tune with this car produces 321 kilowatts and 565 newton meters of torque. I didn't know how much power the stage 1 tune made on this car, but from stock this car produces 280 and 475 newton meters of torque. That's an increase of 41 kilowatts and 90 newton meters of torque with just the downpipe. Speaking of the downpipe, this is the old downpipe right here. It is pretty large. So this is the downpipe that connects to the turbo. And this is the front pipe that connects from the downpipe into the mid-pipe section. So with the downpipe installed in this car, a performance downpipe by us, we're going to see the difference it makes with the sound quality. So with a performance downpipe, it is going to increase the sound. It already had pops and crackles before in the stage 1 tune. You would have heard that in the previous clip. So let's turn the car on and we'll see how nice it is. Okay. Let's put it in race mode. So with the tuning that we've done for the car, we've intensified the pop and with the decatted downpipe that we've done for this car, it intensifies the sound a lot more. So I'll just give it one more quick rev. interested in getting a downpipe on your car, you can contact us on Facebook, Instagram, or you can call me. All the contact details are available on my website. I'll see you guys soon for your own downpipe or your students. See you later, guys.